Hello, this is Sing-a-ling-a-long-a-ling, and I'm going to do a review on We Sing, the We Sing Train. This is a DVD. It originally, this review was requested by Baby Show Fan. Shout out to you, Baby Show Fan. Baby Show Fan, if you're watching this is for you. Go check out his channel. His link will be in the description below. Go check it out and subscribe to him. Okay, let's get on a review. This originally came on VHS in 1993 and came to DVD, I believe, on 2004. This is the 2004 version of the DVD. Now this is right here. I love the cover. It looks pretty cool. This is the clouds. This is Chug Along, the train. I think this is Carter, and this is Casey. And this is Tusky. Fun fact, later they decided to name him Trunky. And the producer, the We Sing producers decided to name him Trunky, the elephant Trunky, for We Sing Them, the VHS We Sing Them, which was released in 1996. Right here it says a charming chug-along, sing-along. It has a lot of both real and original songs. This is the side. This is the back. This tells you a story about Casey and Carter. They made a make-believe place. They made a make-believe place in their room. Setting in their room, and then finally they're magically in it. And Chug-a-Long takes them to, the train comes alive and takes them to the world and around places and visit different places. Tusky the elephant has to learn how to think before she acts, because she keeps making mistakes and causing accidents. But she finally learns her lesson. These are different clips from the movie. Included on the DVD, music video feature, sneak peek of more We Sing videos, preview of the animated We Sing with We Friends. Like the rest of the DVDs, it includes a bonus song called Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. A video of Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. It's a classic song. Approximate time is 58 minutes. This is the list of other DVDs right here. Here are the We Sing producers, Pamela Con Bill and Susan Hagen Nip. And this is the disc. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.